Okay, we have a half of a Euro lock. I believe it's a Fadex Euro. This is the bitting on the key. Lock does work. We're going to use the bottom of the keyway and this little small pick. We're going to start at the front. Number 1 pin felt like it's set. Number 2, number 3. Okay, it's open. Okay. Number 1 and 2's out. Bottom pins are all look like serrated mushroom type pins. They're all kind of serrated mushroom. See what the top has in it. Okay, there's a spool. Another spool. And number 2. Number 3 has a spool. Number 4 has a spool. And number 5 has a spool. So all spools in the top. Okay, all spool pins on the top. I thought it had a serrated pin in one of them, but they're all spools. Please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. Have a nice day. Thank you.